Alright, what is up everyone? So today is Drift Week day number, I think it's like 9. I think it's 9, it might be 7, might be 6, I don't know. I didn't film the last track. We had 2 days at the last track at Houston Police Academy. It was amazing. I just drove. It's probably some of the best driving I've ever done. It was amazing. Didn't film any of it. It was a blast. But we're here. We're here at Speed Sports, something in something, Texas. I'm bad. I've just been going with the flow here. And well, if you guys want updates on the other tracks, Drift Games have been covering everything, and well, go check out their channel. It's good footage. Josh is amazing with the videography. So we had a couple mishaps. You guys will see it in their videos, but I did this thing where I plowed my car into Dave's car.
Yeah, it was an interesting tactic, but it was okay.
It was a good.
To be fair, you repaired it pretty good.
Okay. So I hit his quarter and it was pretty stoved in.
It was all in here at the back.
It was in. Brian, you would be so proud if you saw the before of this. Yeah, I guess it was about time I hit someone because I'm usually the one getting hit. So
that's fine.
I'm happy it was you.
You know what? Well, I wasn't this happy. But no, it was like, I don't know, it was one of those things where I might have gone a little too slow on a gear change, you might have gone a little too fast. It was like
we were trying to get that like Instagram
perfect tandem. And
it was
we pushed our luck. We pushed our luck.
Yeah.
And
Or I pushed you.
You pushed the back of my car in. But it worked okay.
It worked out. I got this. I don't know how this looks normal because this was right here. But yeah, Bodyman Jim at it again. So today is a kart track, so it's going to be like slow. Probably some good tight tandems, which will be really good.
Yeah, and not too fast, so you can get close without worrying about putting big damage on another car.
Exactly. So we'll try to capture the best I can. I'll try and get some outside footage this time. I'm only one dude, so I'm trying my best, guys. So we're doing a quick photo, real quick, of all the Drift Week cars lined up, and it's pretty cool to kind of see them all. Oh, it's fucking mud. It's cool to see them all lined up. I didn't realize we had so many cars on the trip. I think this is my favorite car on the trip so far. This thing is absolutely beautiful. And it stayed beautiful, which is impressive. I may be biased.
Get out of the way.
Get out of the way. It just keeps going. No standing burnouts. Don't do anything dumb. Don't do anything dumb.
You better stay in the pits, brother.
Oh yeah, God, get out of here. Didn't realize there was this many cars here, by the way.
Yeah, you don't realize how many cars there are until they're all in a line.
Yeah, because the grid is so fast at every event.
Yeah.
People just moving. James, you ready for today?
Yeah, man.
You gonna keep it on track?
Probably not.
Okay, fair enough.
Are you?
I'm gonna try my best.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
So this is a kart track, which means it's literally made for go-karts. So it means it's not that wide, but what's good about it is there's a lot of turns and they're all not super fast. So it's really easy to get in some nice tandems without really having to like feel like you're sending it, I guess. Low commitment tandems, as we'll call it, since it'll probably be just like moderate speed on most of the corners, which is good. It'll be a good time. And then there's like this big entry. So we'll see what happens. It is officially GoPro time. So I did like 2 laps already just because I wanted to know where the hell the track was before I brought the camera out, but we can't dirt trap. If we dirt trap even the littlest bit, we're in timeout for like 15 minutes, so playing it a little bit more conservative, but we'll be good to go. So you can do the entry pretty fast, but it comes up very fast. So it'd be really good for a tandem because you can just sit here and just glue people. Pause. Then they extended the track right here, which is nice. This is a weird one. You can't really like connect that without dirt dropping right there, so I don't want to be that guy. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Boom. So it's not the most exciting solo lap, but it'll be good. It'll be good. We'll find a good tandem partner to go out with, and we'll have some fun. little spin by Dave. It's so slow, it's like, it doesn't even feel like this is real tandem. It's so slow, it's so funny. It's such a blast because I see you behind me and I'm like, oh man, I sped up on him too fast. So I'll like chirp to e-brake and I'll see you dive and I'm like, he's ready.
It's like you have so much time to correct because like every corner is quite slow, and even if you make a mistake, you've got so much room for error.
Yeah.
Because you can just stop, go again, stop, go again. So it's the exact opposite of Hallett.
We were both getting, I could see both our tires getting shit through those runs. We were both getting slower and slower.
And we were like, two of us were like barely moving out of the hairpins. It was like slow motion drift.
I love it. That was good, that was fun. You're just like, maybe I want to hit Dave. Nah, I won't hit him. And then you'll just like, all right, so we got fresh tires on. We lowered the pressure a bunch. The track is super greasy, so we'll see if it likes it. Forward bite. You can see when he transfers, he just lunges so fast. It's so cool. So I played defense a little bit at first, trying to drive with that Camaro, because honestly I didn't know what to expect. And I mean, I've never really seen that generation Camaro as a drift car. And he held it down. Once I like got confidence in his style, it was game on. It was such a blast. That was fire. You're a hell of a driver.
That was good.
That was awesome.
We're trying, man.
I would have never expected this car to drift that well.
Yeah.
Or you're just a gangster, or both. I don't know.
It's tough to say. This is mostly what I've driven for most of my drifting career.
Really?
We had a Corvette, had a 240.
How is it compared to the Corvette? Really different?
Slow.
Very,
yeah,
okay.
Slow. I don't know.
Still LT1?
Yeah, still LT1.
Sorry to shove the camera in your face, by the way.
No, you're good, Doc. No, I just got that angle kit on there I was telling you about, that John Duncan angle kit.
Yeah.
Coilovers, subframe connectors.
That's it.
Other little suspension stuff, that's it.
It was a blast to chase you. It was a blast.
I seen you there. I was like, ooh, gotta go.
It was in a train too. You kept it together really well.
Yeah, we tried. Got in contact with Jack in that red BMW a couple times there.
Nice.
Hit his wheel once or twice. So.
You didn't hesitate, which was amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Thanks for driving, man. That was fun.
Who would have thought I step out for an hour to get lunch. I come back. What, are you just hitting people now?
I hit people, people hit me.
It's all the fun of it.
It's all this track. It just builds this like maybe I can go a little bit closer. I was in the middle of I think a 9 or 10 car train there at this point, and I'm sure this was the least that could have gone wrong.
It's funny with the slower tracks is like you're like, oh, I could tandem so close. This is great, but the problem is everyone drives it a little bit differently. So it's almost harder to predict than a fast track, because with the fast track, you know, people are in the corner going fast.
But the other thing that's interesting is that you're chasing someone very closely and you're laser focused on them, and not the 3 cars ahead of them, which they'll have to evade. You have to evade them. So all of a sudden, randomly, like, oh, this guy's going real smooth. Oh god!
I'm not a big fan of anything past 3.
I think I went in this happened in a 7 or 8 car. I was the middle. I was the cheese in the hamburger here.
You were the cheese in the. It's got to be the pickle next time or something, all right?
I think it's all this side of the car. So what I'm thinking is, at the end of the trip, if I park it against a wall away from Aaron,
you'll never know.
You'll never know.
It looks like you parked it in like you know, a Boston street for a night. It's fine.
Pretty much. Yeah, well, the wheels would be gone.
Yeah. So. I've only gone out for like these 2 sessions, and it's been really fun. You get to a point where you're like, oh man, I don't want to push my luck anymore for the day, but it's so much fun. Hello. James wants to drive, so let's go have some fun. That got out of hand. Car was understeering a little bit and pushing, but it held up. It held together. It held together. God, we're entering so fast here. Let's see how bad it is. I don't think it's too bad. Oh, it's nothing. Oh, we're good. I didn't think I hit. I barely touched him, but the guy pointed at me and gave me like a really frowny face. So maybe he's just disappointed in me, but looks good. It felt fine. So James held on to angle for a little bit longer than I thought he would, and that was just a bad call on my part. But his car is fine and my car is fine, so we're good to go. All right, so this might sound like a no shit moment, but I went out there, I wasn't expecting him to drive that hard. And so my first couple laps, I was like being hesitant, and by the third, I was just, I don't know what, that was ridiculous.
You were killing it.
Yeah, thank you. Bro.
James was pushing me. He pushed me off track and I got flagged for it.
Dude, I was like, well, I was like, when I went out there, I was like not ready for him to be that aggressive, so I was like holding back, and I was like hesitant every corner, and I was like, okay, game on.
Yeah,
we were entering so fast.
3rd gear flat foot.
We came out of the last corner, and we never lifted.
Nope. Stayed in drift, just pull that shift 3rd.
Bro, to be the 3rd car entering that fast.
Dude, I bet you how scary that was. See what James did. Come here, look at
I love this. I love this. So this is how you display your skill here.
And then come here, other side.
Oh Jesus Christ! Oh Jesus Christ! So tasteful. See, this is tasteful. No dents, just marks.
Yes, just scuffs.
You see stuff like that, and you're like, all right, it makes sense. He knows how to drive.
Good. That was fun, dude. Good. Hey, you're killing it, bro.
Thank you.
You're killing it.
I appreciate it.
I look back. I didn't look back. She showed me videos. Laura's got in-car footage, and you were just. I didn't know you were that close to me either. I don't care. Obviously, put it on me, but I was like, dang, Jimmy, okay.
That was awesome, dude.
That was sick.
What a lineup. Sorry, I gave you a little tap there.
That was lovely. I enjoyed it. You helped my angle.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You increased my angle mid-drift. It was perfect. It's always harder to chase the 3rd car because the 2nd car is just adapting to whatever makes sense to jump on the 1st car. So if you're in the 3rd car, you're like, wow, that's a weird place to transition. So that probably caught you off guard.
Well, no damage.
No damage, man. We go again.
We go again.
We go again. I want to chase you this time, though.
Okay. We all got black flag, but.
I know. It's good fun. Enjoyed it. Thank you, man.
Thank you. You're doing great. So the only weird thing I'm having so far is I have like this partial misfire on like quick throttle acceleration, and it wasn't that bad at the beginning of the trip, but after those last runs I really noticed it. There was definitely a few moments where I like didn't think my car was doing anything mid-drift, and it was just kind of like partial misfiring. So I think tonight is a good night to do some plugs, maybe do a fuel filter, just do some like small maintenance stuff like that, because when we're all that tight together and the car gives it a partial miss, it leads to either just losing everyone, which sucks, or worse, straightening out and then really causing harm to the person behind me, which is really scary to be the lead run. So, all right, so I actually had more plans of just doing like talk GoPro, talk GoPro, talk GoPro, but the track was so fun, and I managed to sneak out there with a couple awesome drivers today, and I was on track a lot, but the time out there was very eventful and insane. So tomorrow we have like an off day, and then we have a track and an off day, and then 2 days. We have 2 more tracks, that's all I'm gonna say. So we're gonna pack up now and get home, edit this up real quick so we have a video, and go from there. I really hope you guys have enjoying the vlogs that the guys are putting together. It's a really big task, you know, like, it might not seem like it's new to them, but it is very new to them to put that together without me, to like put together a plan, the way to capture it, the way to present it, and especially Spoon taking up the initiative to kind of be like the main character. It's been amazing to see, and I'm very, very proud of the guys, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the content, because we're probably gonna do that for like 2 more videos just until I get home, and then we'll get right back in the flow of things. And I'm very proud of Austin, our new filmer and editor, has come in. I've been editing the Drift League videos, but he's been doing the Drift videos back home, but can't wait to go back home, you know, really dial in the flow of things and just make the videos even that much better. That's the goal, is to always just keep getting better at what we do and just capturing many more moments in many different ways, and allowing me to have some more free time so I can get us to do even bigger and better things. I don't know, I'm just rambling on, but the Irish boys, what are you guys doing? Plus Josh.
Vlog each other's vlog.
Yeah?
Vlog me off.
Oh,
whoa. Whoa.
I'm not sure about that.
How's Dave doing? Where's Dave?
He's doing emails.
Oh, fantastic.
As always.
This is my new best friend, Wayne.
Yeah. Buddies, yeah. Best buddies.
The best buddies. He's a good wrencher. Real proud of him. You've been keeping me alive this whole vacation, this whole trip.
We're at work, Jimmy, work.
We're at work. We're having a great time, so we're gonna clean up, go from there. Hope you guys like today's footage and driving. I'm very proud of it. Obviously, there's plenty of things I could have improved on. You know, it's a very panicky setting. The more I do it, the more I guess my driving calms down, and I get smooth and I get better. And you see, even if you know what you're doing wrong, you still got to train your body to do it correctly. So it does take time, and I think this week has been really good for me. And well, hopefully we'll be properly evolved and ready to hop in the E36 when I get home. And then we're off to Ireland for a drift event, and then we're off to the LZ Invitational in December in Florida to hopefully hold my own there this year, and I'm very excited. So also, the guys did do a podcast without me and answered a bunch of questions without me, so they got their honest opinion on some things. If you guys want to check it out, hop below to the Patreon below and click on that. But for now, I'm going to finally end it. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys very shortly.